Audio annotation is the process of enriching audio recordings with additional information, making them more usable for machines. Annotated audio serves as a valuable training ground for machines involved in speech recognition, sound classification, and natural language processing, NLP. With annotations, audio files become more searchable, allowing for efficient searching and organization. Applications of audio annotation. Annotated audio data is crucial for training speech recognition systems used in virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, smart speakers, and voice search features. Audio annotation can be used to categorize speech segments with emotions like happiness, frustration, or anger. Annotations capture the emotional tone of the speaker's voice: happy, angry, sad, etc. This identifies specific sounds within recordings like laughter, applause, or a doorbell ringing. Using clear recordings with minimal background noise improves annotation accuracy. Employing multiple annotators for the same audio clip helps ensure consistency and catch errors. There are several valuable tools and platforms available to facilitate audio annotation. The world of audio annotation is constantly evolving, with new techniques and technologies emerging to improve efficiency and accuracy. For more details, visit www.eroinvestmentguidance.com.